I ideally want to integrate an API once and just like turn on a bunch of integrations. I work with Maersk, I work MSC, I work with OCL, Hapag Lloyd, what have you. And ideally, everybody has the same API. And I get an API key, as you just mentioned, and I start tracking, making requests to those APIs, and I don't have to worry about like, different formats, different
Sure.
events, um, different timestamps. The different ergonomics is it's like the same, you know, it's like a standardized window. It's gonna fit, in different. You buy it from different vendors, and it's like it's gonna work, right? Or it's like a socket, right? You buy plugs from different. You have different. So socket is actually a good example. It's like we've decided that the plug works the same way, whether I buy a toaster or a phone charger, it's gonna always plug in. So that's the idea. But are we there yet?
Well, the short answer is no, but I think DCSA, I have been surprised at the adoption, and I think it is helping. First of all, like that consortium is trying to solve a whole lot more issues than just like the visibility of your container. There are many aspects to it, and the track and trace portion of their APIs is just one facet. And second of all, like they have gone extremely deep and kept pushing over years now to get to where they're at. And I actually think if you're talking about the DCSA, 2.2 track and trace API, it's pretty nice. It's well designed and it kind of works with existing standards, for locations and events. Like there's some SMDG in there, there's some BIC code. So like you can build on top of stuff you may already have. And, if you're with carrier A and they're using it and now you're with carrier B and like, hey, here's our DCSA thing. Well, then it's just a question of kind of plugging it in and vetting is this working the same way as everything coming through how we expect. So from that perspective, I think it's great that there is a kind of standard out there that more and more carriers are adopting, but not all of them.